The perfect thing. Anna was very excited. She was going to a big birthday party on Saturday night. There would be music, dancing, food, and lots of new people to meet. Anna knew she would have a great time, but what was she going to wear? Imogen and Chloe had new dresses. Sally had expensive new jeans. Carrie had amazing new shoes.
Mom,
Said Anna.
please can I have some money to buy something new?
No,
Said her mother. You have plenty of nice things.
what about your blue t-shirt? The one with a butterfly on it? That is lovely.
Everyone else has something new.
Said Anna unhappily.
I don't want to be the only one in old clothes.
It is not old.
Laughed her mother.
And it is lovely. I do not have the money to buy you something new. You will have to ask your gran.
This was a good idea. Anna's grand loved clothes and loved shopping. So Anna phoned her, and on Saturday they went to the shopping mall together.
Now,
Said Gran.
we are here. So, what do you want?
Something really nice.
Said Anna. Gran laughed.
We need to know more than that, my love. What are we looking for? A dress? A top? New jeans?
I don't know. I will know when I see it.
Gran sighed.
We could have a very long day ahead of us. You must have some idea. What color do you fancy? Red? Yellow?
I don't like yellow.
Said Anna, though she didn't sound sure.
Blue?
I like blue.
Gran smiled.
So we start by looking for blue things.
In every shop, Anna was tried on clothes. Gran was very patient, she never got cross. They changed the color from blue to red. Still they found nothing. Her heart suddenly felt very heavy. Tears came to her eyes, and she began to cry.
Oh, love, what on earth is the matter?
I'm never going to find it, Gran. I want to so much to find something special. But nothing is right and I'm so tired. I just want to go home, but I can't go home with nothing.
Don't upset yourself. We have tried, haven't we? That's the important thing. And we've had a nice day. That is important too. And let me tell you a secret. I know the perfect thing for you to wear. Something that will make you feel wonderful. Something that will make everyone want to buy your friend.
Really? What is it? Do we still have time to get it?
Gran whispered something in Anna's ear. Anna's eyes went big.
Yes, yes, oh Gran, you are so clever. Let's go home.
That night, Anna's mom couldn't wait to see the special outfit they had bought. But when Anna came down from her bedroom, she was wearing her old jeans and the blue butterfly t-shirt.
You are going in that. But you spend the whole day shopping. You said you had found the perfecting thing to wear.
I did find it. I'm wearing it, Mom. A smile.
She smiled her best, biggest smile. Her mom smiled too.
You are right, Anna. You don't need fancy clothes or money. A smile is all you need.
Yes, it's the perfect thing. Thanks for watching video.
Please subscribe.